An abortion and equal rights amendment debate is expected to happen sometime this evening in the Minnesota House.
But we do already know how many Minnesotans feel about putting abortion and equal rights in the same constitutional amendment with the results of our exclusive KSTP Survey USA poll. Our chief political reporter, Tom Hauser, is live at the state capitol with a look at those results for us. Tom?
Yeah, Leah, House Republicans have now extended a debate over a two-page bill regarding fee transparency for nearly 5 hours. It's a bit of a filibuster to delay talking about the constitutional amendment regarding abortion and equal rights. Although the abortion debate has not yet happened, we do know the results of our exclusive KSTP Survey USA poll on that issue. The Minnesota House will debate whether to ask voters to approve a constitutional amendment regarding equal rights, and whether that question should include putting the right to abortion in the Constitution. Supporters pushed for the amendment in committee last week.
In 2023 alone, in states across the country, over 1,000 bills aimed at restricting reproductive rights and attacking the rights of LGBTQ people were introduced, with hundreds enacted into law.
But opponents pushed back because the proposed amendment doesn't include the word abortion. Instead, it prohibits pregnancy discrimination.
I think all of you know that a prohibition of discrimination on the basis of pregnancy is not an accurate summary of this egregious bill.
Abortion opponents say the Equal Rights Amendment and an abortion amendment question should be separate. A majority of respondents in our KSTP Survey USA poll agree, with 64% saying they should be separate. 24% say they should be in the same question, and 13% aren't sure.
This bill conceals abortion up to birth in innocuous language and attempts to dupe Minnesota citizens.
Abortion opponents also say most Minnesotans don't support abortion rights with no restrictions up until birth. Our survey shows 51% of Minnesotans disapprove of the Protect Reproductive Options Act, passed last year, that protects abortion until birth with no restrictions. 37% approve and 12% are not sure. However, when asked generally if the right to an abortion should be in the Minnesota Constitution, 43% agree, 38% disagree, and 19% are not sure. Now, again, the House is expected to debate the constitutional amendment that could combine the Equal Rights Amendment and the abortion issue sometime tonight. If it does happen, it literally could take all night for that to happen. We'll have an update tonight on Nightcast at 10. Live at the state capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.